ಅವರು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿನ ರಾಜಕೀಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದಂಥವರು. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. And she is a mass leader. And she is not only tallest personality in film field, in Tamil Nadu politics also, she was a tallest leader. So it's a great loss to Tamil Nadu and the AIDMK. She acted more than 140 films. She acted in Kannada language, Tamil language, Telugu language, Malayalam language and Hindi language. She was a very popular actress. So, and for the film field also it's a great loss. So I pray God to rest her soul in peace.
Sir, will you attend the wedding?
Yes, I am going. And ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಮೌರ್ನಿಂಗು ಕೂಡ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವತ್ತು.